classical first class and
Good morning everyone. I am Harvinder Kaur and my name starts with H. I am very hardworking, honest, sincere and punctual. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Rajni. I am NTT teacher and I am very charming as you know.
good morning everyone. My name is Priya. I am PRD teacher of class. I am very honest person.
Good morning everyone. I am Vijay Pandey and I teach computer as a subject at Stanford.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Raj Kishore. I'm an artist and innovative creative artist, and I'm a musician.
Good morning, teachers. I am Vijay. I am a math teacher, and I love spirituality.
Good morning everyone. My name is Rahul and I am CBT Courses and in this